morning, sir.
Good morning.
So I welcome to INGLONGKIRI ABIRTA. Sir, the present education system or present condition of education system in Karbi. Like, sir, you are visiting every school. So what is your intention behind it, sir?
First and foremost is that we want to bring reformation education system to bring out a straight line, because we all know that the position of education system are compared to other district and all, we are very much looking behind. So this is the all things, a vision of 2025 coming out from initiative from Honorable Chief Executive Dr. Thank him for giving this opportunity to serve. So, especially why I visited some of the school, because of their zero performance and 0% school are like that. You find that maybe you will be aware of Okere High School, Chaipong High School, INGLONGKIRI High School, and especially Diopani High School. All so personalities have been come out. Yes. All so personalities have been served for that from the state of government and from our side also. We have already sent an inquiry team regarding about why person funds and we have been checking out regarding about the school performance. So we examine all these things so that for to improvement we are doing will be better for the coming days. We are looking forward
So
for that.
what are the main reason for this present condition of the education system or some schools?
The main reason behind is that especially the student are not taking.
Family background.
Yes, main thing is that they are not interested to studies. They especially work in other private jobs, or maybe their parents are not giving them interest, and especially they are from below poverty level, BPL family. Even though the school have been given them for midday meal, free textbooks, free school uniforms, but still then they are not coming to school.
So what is your line of action?
See, main thing is that awareness is very important. We are going to the grassroots, and I request all the student body, civil society apex body, even the Gambura SDP and Purusa, church leaders, elders, everyone should cooperate and take responsibility for this, because education, if there is no education at all, will be in darkness, will never come into light. One thing is that, and education is the backbone of the society. So my request to every one of the citizens of Karbi to be cooperate with us in this awareness campaign.
Sorry, what about this 7 school? That there are many factors that there is no lack of teacher, and many that there are some school there are that teacher post is lying there. So that may be the reason for this 0%. So, sir, what will happen to these schools?
Oh, like some of the school which have been like anything like yes, of course there is, but we are going to fill up in the days to come. We are seeing all those, examining what regarding what just now I have said that we are going to examine everything. We take up and we are not going to see about past days now. We are looking for the future now, the present and future, which will be better for us.
Will the school be closed or they will get a second chance?
See, we are going to request to the government that it should be given a chance, opportunity, because if high school have been merged or amalgamation to another school, it is very far in Karbi Anglong. Like, so to say, example like Diopani High School have to come to Balipatha High School, so that is 20-25 kilometers back. Student cannot go and come.
The real sufferer will be the student.
The student, they will be suffer. They have to drop out, and then all their future have been that's what.
So from our side, we wish you all the best, sir.
Thank
so
you
keep
so
your
much.
benches, sir.